The authentic Ghanaian bofrot, togbe, puff puff, anyhow you call this, is supposed to be very soft, chewy, and fluffy, but not very hard, or the inside is not supposed to be very thick like a swallow. Or banku, okay, but it's supposed to be fluffy just like this and soft as well. That is what I am going to share with you, and I'm just going to share this very detailed so that your next bofrot or togbe or puff puff that you will be making, you will get it perfect. To start with this, I had 1.5 cups of water, which you can use milk. I added a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. Now the yeast is not instant yeast, it is dry active yeast, so we need to activate this, or we need to see if the yeast is active. So we are going to mix this, keep it in a warm place for some time depending on the weather condition. Okay, so after we kept it in a place for some few minutes, you can see some bubbles. It means the yeast is active. I went ahead to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So with your warm water or the milk that you'll be using, it's supposed to be warm, not hot. Okay, it shouldn't be cold as well, it should be warm, such a way that if you put your finger in it for some few seconds, you won't feel it burning you. Okay, now I'll go ahead and then mix this very well. If I will add any other ingredients, I'm going to update you or let you know. Okay, mix it very well to get that perfect outcome you are looking for. Just look at that, absolutely good. So I'll go ahead and mix it very well till I get that smooth texture. I added extra 2 tablespoons of sugar to this. Yes, so making 3 tablespoons of sugar. When you are going to sell this, you make sure you increase the sugar, okay, by 2, so maybe 6 tablespoons, so that you can get just like the one they sell on the roadside. But this, we don't like sugar, so I am just going to prepare this with less sugar. In fact, when you eat it, you may not even taste any sugar in it. That's how we want it. Okay, so mix it and then we are good to go. I added a tablespoon of vanilla. Keep this in the warm place, and after some time it has increased in size, and just look at that perfect outcome. When you are frying your bofrot or puff puff and you are a beginner, try and then make it a bit hard, okay, not watery like how you are seeing on the screen. I can drop it even if it's very light, because I have been doing it for a very long time, so I can drop it. But if you are a beginner, please increase the quantity of flour so that it can be a bit thicker, and when you are dropping it, you will feel free. So this is how we are going to drop it. It should be between your thumb and then the finger next to your thumb. I hope you get it. Yes, so we are going to do it again before we go and then drop it in the oil. As I talk to you right now, the oil is on fire on a medium heat, waiting for us. Okay, so that is how we drop it. So because of the dropping, that is why I said earlier that if you are a beginner, please do well to increase the flour. If you find it very difficult to drop it, to drop when it is light. Okay, thank you so much. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. Trust me, you will love it on all social media platforms as well. You can as well drop it just this way, okay, instead of the first one. Just drop it this way, you are good to go. But I am perfect with the first one, okay. Like, I'm perfect with that, but I'm comfortable with that, okay. Let's put it that way. Now my oil is ready. I dropped one in and I have realized that it is ready. The oil is hot enough for me to go ahead and fry my puff puff. So I will start dropping them, and then so we are done, okay. Yes, if you've watched me till this point, please kindly like the video, share to others, and let me see your comments in the comment section. I will be very glad. Thank you very much. If you want short videos like a minute video, okay, or less than a minute duration, follow us on all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts, and trust me, you will love it. We do that basically because not everyone will get time to watch the long form video, okay. So kindly follow us for more. The one you are seeing like that, they said if you have something like that, it means you are going to get twins, or if you eat something like that, it means you'll get twins. I'll give you twins, okay. I'll give all of you twins. That is just by the way. Now the bofrot is ready, okay. Just look at that, perfect. Yes, our twins. So I'll remove it from the oil and then put it on my paper towel or in the colander so that the oil can drain, okay. I prefer the paper towel in the colander, okay, but not using only colander. If you use the paper towel, it really helps, okay. So if you don't have, please get one. Thank you so much. Now our bofrot is ready, and we are going to pair this with our Hausa cocoa. You can pair it with anything, okay. I just want you to wait so that you can see the outcome. It was so perfect, so soft. So I just want you to try this and bring me the feedback. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till now. I'm so grateful for your help. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. And if you are new here, if you subscribe, they don't take money. It is absolutely free of charge. So kindly subscribe for more videos, and we share easy recipes here which you will love them. Lena is my name, and thank you all for clicking on this video. So sorry I did not introduce myself from the beginning, okay. Yes, so thank you, and I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.